Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. With open arms and appropriate social distancing, I welcome you all to Odyssey 2021. What was meant to be held against the lush backdrops of Kerala's backwaters is taking place in safer settings at home and virtually. It was a tough call for us to shift to an online platform. Odyssey stands for a long, eventful, and adventurous journey. I think it perfectly encapsulates the essence behind holding this institute virtually, from Kochi to the comfort of your homes. To where I stand with this stylish virtual spacecraft, this journey has been full of ups and downs. It has taught us a lot and reminded us that despite all odds and challenges, the human spirit is determined and keep moving forward. A poet has aptly said, वक्त की गर्दिशों का गम ना करो, हौसले आखिर मुश्किलों में पलते हैं. Don't be dismayed by the whirlwinds of time. Courage is born of troubles. COVID-19 for the first time brought the world to a halt. As countries around the world have been questioning their global ties, Rotary stands as the unifier of the world. While governments are shutting borders, we are opening our hearts for each other. We are alive and overcome by the spirit of service more than ever. We are here together even in such trying times, and that is what matters. Rotary is a global organization like no other, and it is that spirit of fellowship, service, and humanity which keeps the family growing. It is very important, especially in times like this, as leader of truly global and international organization, we must leverage the spirit and come together to stand as one for the world. At Odyssey, during the next 3 days, we will hear a plethora of speakers, each one a luminary in her or his field. A well thought out and handpicked program awaits you, and we believe it should keep you engaged and illuminated throughout the 3 days of this institute. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming a specially curated speaker lineup with dignitaries from all walks of life. At this stage, I would like to thank Director Kamal for reposing faith in me. His continued confidence as we moved from a live event to a virtual platform has pushed the team. It is a pleasure to welcome President-elect Shekhar Mehta to our virtual world. We look forward to an outstanding Rotary year in 21-22 under his leadership. A warm welcome to industrialist Kumar Mangalam Birla for gracing our inaugural session. I would like to welcome all the Rotary dignitaries, all past, current, and incoming RI officers, Rotaractors, and leading Rotarians from Zone 4, 5, 6, and 7 and around the globe watching this event. I would especially like to thank our key sponsors and members of Institute Committee who have stood behind us like a rock and made this possible. Our event managers for this institute are Tantra Events, pioneers in bringing path-breaking innovations in the events industry. The technology used for the Odyssey is a clickable 3D engine integrated with hybrid technology. A rural livelihood project, Wild Ideas, came into being in 2014 in rural Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu, run by women from disadvantaged background with a desire to stand on their own feet. Wild Ideas products are made using 100% natural ingredients, making the dream of a chemical-free home accessible and affordable. I hope you all have received a gift hamper from Wild Ideas, especially curated for the delegates of Odyssey. Fellowship, hospitality, and a sense of community is at the heart of Rotary, and through coming days, we hope to reinstill the feeling of belonging, to provide refreshment and respite to all of you who have been working not only for your families, but also for the community around you. So sit back, fasten your seat belts and enjoy the ride. Explore our link, visit the virtual stalls and engage. They say a convener has to be both curious and knowledgeable about what is being spoken about, and they always have to know the right questions to ask. Well, today we have a man with years of experience, not just in the world, but also with Rotary. He is the managing director of a family-owned banking, financing, and construction conglomerate, a member of Rotary Dhanbad since 1991, and our director. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Director Convener Kamal Sanghvi.